Hi, I'm Dr. John Harper from beautiful Oceanside, California, and I'm here with you today with another 2-minute peripheral neuropathy tip. Did you know that the number one cause of peripheral neuropathy in the United States is the use of cholesterol-lowering drugs? Isn't that amazing? The number one reason why 20 million people suffer a year with peripheral neuropathy is because their physician has given them the statins, the cholesterol-lowering drugs, because cholesterol is such a bad thing. Well, I got to let you know something. Cholesterol is what covers the nerve. It's the round covering of the nerve, just like you have rubber on the extension cord, all right? And then you have the metal on the inside. Well, your nerve's pretty much like that. What happens is that when you take these cholesterol-lowering drugs, these statins, it takes the covering off of the nerve. This is why the nerves no longer work right. Just like if you were to cut the rubber insulation off an extension cord and then stick it in a bucket of water, that's going to cause a lot of problems. That's going to cause a lot of damage. So it's really important to understand. Now, you could say, well, I'll just stop taking those things. Well, that's fine if that's what you're going to do, but the damage has been done. So you're going to need to have somebody to help you get back the covering of the nerve and get that welcome better. I talk about this and many other topics in my workshop. I highly recommend that you call the phone number, make the appointment for the workshop, and know how we are able to help so many people with peripheral neuropathy naturally and safely and get them back to doing the things that make them happy. Here's to your health and happiness. We'll see you soon.